this video, I'm going to show you how to install a WordPress theme. So your theme determines the design, look and feel of your blog. And to install a theme, you want to come to the WordPress admin area. And once you're in the admin area, you want to come down here to the Appearance tab. And from the Appearance tab, you want to click on Themes. And this will bring you to the main theme page. Now, as you can see, there's already some themes installed here. These are themes that I've installed previously. And once you install themes, you will also find them within here on the main theme page. To add a new theme, you want to come up here and click Add New, and this will bring you to the WordPress theme library. Now, there's thousands of free themes that you can choose from within WordPress. You can see some here. And you can also view themes by popular and latest. Now, installing a theme is very simple. What you want to do is hover over it, and then you want to click the Install button. Once you click Install, the theme will upload. It usually takes a few seconds. And then once uploaded, you want to hover back over the theme, and you want to click on the Activate button. And this will make the theme live on the front end of your blog. Now, when you first start out using WordPress and WordPress themes, you're going to want to take a couple of different themes for a test drive to see what they look like. But you don't want to install every single theme you see. So what you can do is, if you hover over the theme, you can click on the Preview button, and this will open the theme in the Customization Editor. Now, as you can see, the theme here doesn't look like it does in this picture here. And that's because you would need to make some changes to the design elements and settings. And you do that within the Customization Editor. And that's in another video I'm going to be showing you after this. But what you can do, if this theme doesn't look like it does in the picture, is if you scroll down here to the description, quite often you'll see a demo link at the bottom. And if you copy and paste that demo link into your browser, you can then view what the theme would look like. So this is the live version of the demo version. So if you like the look of it, you can then go ahead and install it. Now, not every free theme will have a demo link, but most of them will. So that's how you install a theme on WordPress. Now, that was a free theme, but you can also install premium themes. So with WordPress, you can buy a theme from a place like Theme Forest. So I'll just pop over here to Theme Forest. So this is a theme library. And you could buy a WordPress theme here for around $50. And when you buy a theme from somewhere like Theme Forest, you will get a zip file which you download to your desktop. And once you download that zip file to your desktop, you can then upload it to WordPress. And to do that, again, you're going to go to Themes under the Appearance tab, and you're going to select Add New. And then you're going to click Upload. And once you click Upload, you'll then be able to select the zip file from your desktop and upload it. Once it's uploaded, click Activate, and the theme will be live on the front end of your blog. Now, the reason you might choose a premium theme over a free theme is that premium themes usually have more features and are better supported than free themes. But in saying that, there are thousands of great free themes within WordPress, so don't feel like you need to buy a premium theme. If you're on a budget and you find a free theme that fits the bill, does everything you need, then go ahead and use it. Now, before we go, there's just one other thing I want to show you. So as I said, when you first start out, you're going to install a couple of different themes to see what they're like. And all the themes you install will be here on the main themes page. Once you eventually settle on a theme that you're going to use, you want to come back in here and delete any themes that you're not using. And to do that, you want to come here, click on Themes, and then from the corner, you'll see a little delete button. Click on Delete, and that will delete the theme. So I'm just going to go back over that process again. To install a free theme, you want to come here to the WordPress admin area. Under the Appearance tab, you're going to click on Themes. Then you're going to click on Add New. And once you're in the WordPress library, you're then going to hover over the theme that you want to install, click the Install button. Once it uploads, you're then going to click the Activate button. To install a premium theme, again, from the main theme page, under the Appearance tab, you're going to click on Add New. Then you're going to click on upload. And once you click on upload, you'll be able to select the zip file, upload it to WordPress, and then click activate, and that will make it live on the front end of your website. So there you go. That is how you install a theme on WordPress.